Welcome to this review of the LeTkingok Solar Tracker Sun Tracking System. This device is designed to maximize solar panel efficiency by automatically following the sun throughout the day. Let's dive into its features. The LeTkingok tracker boasts a patented pyramid four-quadrant light sensor structure. This design allows precise detection of sunlight direction. The built-in microcontroller analyzes sensor data and controls relays to adjust the platform's motors. It supports both single-axis and dual-axis tracking, making it versatile for different setups. One standout feature is its pre-calibrated controller. It comes factory-tuned, so you don't need to fiddle with complex parameters. Simply mount it, connect your solar panels, and it's ready to go. The tracking frequency is set to 1 minute and 20 seconds. Which balances power consumption and responsiveness. It also includes a night return feature that resets the panels to a safe position overnight. Additionally, there's manual mode and anti-jitter functionality for stable operation. The system is built for durability. It uses a relay control circuit board that can handle the motor loads. The controller automatically switches between automatic and manual modes. For installation, ensure you have a compatible solar panel mount and motor setup. Performance-wise, this tracker can increase energy yield by 25 to 40% compared to fixed panels, depending on location and weather. It's ideal for off-grid systems, RV solar, or residential arrays. The low power consumption means it won't drain your system. Potential drawbacks include the need for a clear view of the sky. Obstructions like trees or buildings can affect tracking. Also, it requires some technical know-how for wiring integration. Overall, the LeTkingok Solar Tracker is a reliable choice for boosting solar output. Its easy setup, robust sensor design, and energy-saving features make it a worthwhile investment. If you're looking to optimize your solar array, this tracker is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check the description for links and more info. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more solar product reviews.